Guys. Wow.
Wala akong boses, pinapakain akong ice cream.
Wow, Cheryl, this is good. Let's see your hair. Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Kaya guys, this is the third time that me and Sharon went to church. God bless us together. Yes.
We go to church. Ang pimples ko. Ang nilalamig ako. No, that's enough. Enjoy.